What if the most expensive-looking decor in your home didn't come from a store, but from your own workshop? Most people assume designer pieces require huge budgets, but the truth is often the opposite. With the right ideas and smart use of wood, budget projects can look just as polished and intentional as high-end decor. Welcome to Craft Catalog. Today we're exploring budget wood crafts that deliver a designer look without the designer price tag. The secret behind expensive-looking decor is simplicity. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and natural materials always feel premium. Wood naturally carries warmth and texture, which makes even small projects feel intentional. When designs are kept simple, the focus shifts to craftsmanship rather than cost. One powerful approach is working with basic shapes. Rectangles, arches, and gentle curves instantly elevate a project when finished cleanly. A simple wooden shelf, tray, or stand becomes a statement piece when edges are smooth and surfaces are even. Sanding plays a bigger role here than most people realize. A well-sanded surface reflects light evenly and makes the entire piece feel refined. Finish choices also define whether a project looks handmade or high-end. Neutral tones, natural oils, and matte finishes tend to feel more designer than glossy coatings. They highlight the wood grain and create a calm, modern look that fits into almost any space. Even the simplest project feels intentional when the finish complements the design. Another overlooked detail is scale. Designer decor often uses bold proportions rather than tiny details. A slightly thicker shelf, a wider base, or extra spacing between elements makes a piece feel custom-built instead of store-bought. These changes cost nothing but instantly improve the final look. Budget wood crafts shine when function and beauty meet. Decor that also serves a purpose always feels valuable. Storage pieces, organizers, and stands look more thoughtful because they improve daily life. When something is useful, people naturally perceive it as higher quality. Consistency across projects also creates a designer feel. Using similar wood types, finishes, or shapes across multiple pieces makes a home feel curated. This approach is often used by interior designers, and it works just as well with DIY decor. If you enjoy creating wood projects that look expensive without spending a fortune, take a moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. Supporting the channel helps us bring you more smart builds, budget-friendly ideas, and inspiration that proves quality doesn't have to be costly. Another reason budget wood crafts work so well is flexibility. Scrap wood, leftover boards, and simple lumber can all become statement pieces. Limitations actually push creativity forward. When you focus on design instead of materials, the results often look even better. Lighting and placement complete the transformation. A simple wooden piece placed thoughtfully on a shelf, against a neutral wall, or near natural light immediately feels intentional. Designer decor is often less about the object itself and more about how it's displayed. The best part is that these projects build confidence. Each finished piece teaches you more about proportion, finish, and detail. Over time, your eye improves and your projects naturally start to look more refined. Budget crafts become premium results through experience, not expense. Budget wood crafts prove that designer style isn't about money. It's about thoughtful design, careful finishing, and confidence in simplicity. When you understand these principles, every project has the potential to look high-end. Thanks for watching Craft Catalog. Subscribe for more budget-friendly woodworking ideas that turn simple wood into beautiful, designer-inspired decor.